In a nutshell, we help clients solve their communications problems. Most clients come to us because they have got a problem. They need to change legislation, they need to change regulation, they need to launch a product, they need to raise their profile, and we help them do that. There is a debate whether public relations is an art or a science. It's actually a mixture of both. There is a process we have to follow, there's a body of knowledge. A lot of the success really comes from somebody's ability to analyse business and analyse issues, and that comes from experience. So it's a blend of art and science. I think the PR company works very much on the principle that it's our people that make a bit of a difference. I know that's a cliche, but you would find that most organisations like ours all offer the same kinds of service to a degree, but it's the people in the PR company that I think make a difference. We work very hard on building trust with a client. We work very hard on building a personal relationship with a client so that there is a sharing of information, there's a warmth there, and I think that leads to better business, certainly leads to better outcomes, improved trust, improved outcomes. It's as simple as that. At the PR company, we don't believe that public relations has to be expensive. We believe that good public relations requires smart thinking, not necessarily large budgets. We work for some very large organisations, some big corporates, yet we also work for some NGOs who don't have big budgets. If we can tailor something to suit and that delivers the outcome, that's the trick.